Good morning to all of you. So in today's class, we will learn about opposite words, gender, and the plurals. So let's start with the opposite words. Before let me tell you how to do the word. I want to explain you what is the meaning of opposite words. So opposite means ulta. If there is anything and you need to tell something which is totally different from the word, it will be opposite. सबसे पहले जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है हैप्पी. हैप्पी मीन्स अ स्टेट इन विच यू आर फीलिंग वेरी पॉजिटिव, राइट? So happy is a state, and if someone is asking you to tell opposite of the happy, then you will say sad. Means a state which is totally different from the word which you have already provided to them. जो हमें यहाँ पे पहले मिला हुआ है वर्ड उससे टोटली जो डिफरेंट है, दैट इज अपोजिट. तो हमें यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है हैप्पी, देन अब हमें यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है सैड. हैप्पी एंड सैड आर द अपोजिट वर्ड्स ऑफ ईच अदर. So this is a definition of opposite words, and now you will start the work. So firstly you have to write the date on the left side, then on the first line write opposite words, draw a line in between just how it's here, then start with the first word happy. HPPY. Happy means whenever you are feeling very positive, आप जब बहुत ज्यादा खुश होते हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं happy. तो यहाँ पे उसका अपोजिट वर्ड है सैड. देन वर्ड नंबर 2 ट्रम मतलब आना, COME. ट्रम मतलब आना. देन उसका अपोजिट वर्ड होता है जाना, गो, GO, जाना. तो नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ व्हाट इज अपोजिट. मीन टोटली डिफरेंट ऑफ द वर्ड जो हमें ऑलरेडी मिला हुआ है. थर्ड इम्पोर्ट, IMPORT, इम्पोर्ट. एक्सपोर्ट, EXPORT, export. Fourth number pretty, 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 and then opposite है ugly, UGLY. Fifth light, LIGHT, light. Light opposite है dark, DARK. Then fifth high, HIGH, high. Opposite of the high, low, LOW, low. Seventh love, 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 and the opposite of the love is hate, HAT, hate. Then eighth more, 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 and the opposite of the more is less, LESS. Then ninth north, NORTH, and the opposite of north is south, SOUTH. Then the 10th is large, LARG, large, and the opposite of the large is small, SMALL. Now 11th is kind, KAKIND, and the opposite of it cruel, CRUEL. 12th slow, and the opposite of the slow is fast, FAST. After opposites we have something else here also, that is change the gender. Now gender means we have a specific identity of every organisms, everything. हमारे पास सबकी स्पेसिफिक आइडेंटिटीज होती है. either it can be a male or female. तो जो मेल्स होते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं मैस्कुलिन, एंड जो फीमेल्स होते हैं हम उन्हें बोलते हैं फेमिनिन. तो यहाँ पे जो नेम हमें मैस्कुलिन में दिए हुए, वी नीड टू चेंज देम इनटू फेमिनिन. हमें उन्हें फेमिनिन में बदलना है. तो हमें यहाँ पे 10 एग्जांपल्स दिए हुए हैं, same as it is. Firstly, on the next page you will write date on the left side, then on the first line you will write change the gender. You need to do the homework as similar as it's shown here. Then draw a line in between. On the left side write masculine, and on the right side write feminine. Now from the next line, first word is cock, COCK, and the feminine word will be hen. Means whatever the word you have, आपको सब feminine उसका जो female word है, you have to mention that. So the next is dog, DOG, and the feminine will be bitch, BITCH. Then third is fox, FOX, and the feminine will be bison, BIXEN. Fourth is horse, 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 and feminine of the horse is mare, MARE. And then fifth is brother, 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 and the feminine will be sister, SISTR. Sixth number word is uncle, UNCLE, and the feminine word will be aunt, AUNT. Seventh is tint, KING, and the feminine of the knitting is queen, QUEEN. Eighth is lord, 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 and the feminine of lord is lady, LADY. Ninth is son, SON, and the feminine of son is daughter, DAUGHTR. Then 10th is monk, OMONK, monk, and the feminine of is nun, NUN, nun. 11th is prince, 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 and the feminine of that word is princess, PRINCESS. 12th is nephew, 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 and the feminine of nephew is niece, NIECE, niece. After the gender, now we have plurals. Same as it is, you need to write date on the left side, and on the first line you will write make plural form. Now what are the plurals? So plural and singular are about the numbers of object. So if you have only one thing of any object, it will be singular, and if you have more than one, it will be plural. Suppose if you have a pencil, if you have only one pencil, then it will be known as singular object. Okay, but if you have so many pencils, if you means you have pencil more than one, then the object will be plural, and when there will be plural object, we will write S in the last. It shows that this object is in plural number, more than one. So first is example we have is book, BOOK, and when we write the plural form, we will write S in the last words. Day, plural form will be days. Singular form, third word, bus, buses. Now in the sum of the words, when we will change into them plurals, we will write ES. So buses, they will be ES, buses. Fourth, dish, plural form will be dishes, DISHES, dishes. City, the plural form is cities. Now we will remove Y from here, and we will write I instead of Y, and ES will be here. Y हटाना है, Y replaced I आता है, और ES साथ में आता है, तो सिटी का प्लूरल फॉर्म हो जाता है cities. There is some exceptions, बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो डिफरेंट है थोड़े से, and city is one of them. स्टोरी में भी Y हटता है, and Y replaced I आ जाता है, and ES will be same. Story, stories. This is a singular form, and this is the plural form. Leaf, leaves. Now this is another example जो बहुत different है. Y के प्लेस पे हमने I यूज में लिया था, now F के प्लेस पे हम यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं V, मतलब F यहाँ से हट जाता है और F के प्लेस पे आ जाता है V. LEAVES, leaves. ES तो एंड में ऐड होता ही है, बट F के प्लेस पे आ जाता है V, तो leaf plural will be leaves. Another one is knife. So यहाँ पे KNIFE is the singular word, and when it will be the plural, तो KNI F के प्लेस पे आ जाता है V, जैसे ऊपर लीफ में आया था, E सेम रहता है, and then S. Men, यहाँ पे A के प्लेस पे आ जाता है E, तो men is a singular. When there is a MAN, this is a singular. यहाँ पे सिर्फ only one person की बात हो रही है, but when we are talking about more than one, so we will write MEN, men. TOOTH, tooth, and the plural word will be teeth, TEETH. यहाँ पे O replace पे हो जाते हैं E. Fish, and the same as it is fish. बहुत सारे ऐसे words हैं जिनमें no change होता है, the singular person और जो plural person है दोनों में same words आते हैं. If you are talking about more than 2-3 fishes, तो भी आप उन्हें fish ही बोलते हैं, और वरना आप उन्हें फिश, सिंगुलर में भी फिश यूज होता है. शीप, शिप, दोनों में सेम होता है. सो दैट वाज अबाउट द प्लूरल. So we have done the opposites, genders, and the plurals. Do the work properly and do the practice of them also.